Imagine walking through a city. Someone starts speaking a language you don't understand, but instead of pulling out your phone, subtitles appear in your glasses in real time. You reply instantly to messages without touching a screen. You get directions without ever looking down. And the weirdest part? After a while, you forget the glasses are even there. Because this is no longer science fiction. AI glasses are starting to become real. Today, I'm going to show you what these new AI glasses can actually do in real life. Not just specs, not marketing promises, but the features that make you start wondering something a little scary. Are glasses about to replace the smartphone? At first glance, they look like normal glasses, but inside them is something pretty unusual. A display, an AI assistant, multiple microphones, a camera, and a completely new way to control everything. But the most interesting part isn't the hardware, it's how the technology slowly disappears. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why many people believe AI glasses could become the next major computing platform. The first thing that makes these glasses different is the display. But this isn't like a VR headset. There's no giant screen blocking your vision. Instead, a small display appears slightly off to the side of one eye, almost like a floating notification window. You glance at it when you need information and ignore it when you don't, which sounds small, but it completely changes how you interact with technology. Because for the first time, information is always available without interrupting your life. Now here's where things get strange. Instead of tapping a phone, you control the glasses using tiny hand gestures detected by a wristband. The band reads the electrical signals from your muscles, so when you move your fingers slightly, the glasses understand the command. You can scroll through menus, open apps, adjust volume, send messages, all with subtle movements that most people around you won't even notice. At first, it feels weird, but after a while, it starts feeling natural, like your hands became the keyboard. One of the most useful things these glasses can do is messaging. Normally, when someone texts you, you have to pull out your phone, unlock it, open the app, and reply. But with AI glasses, the message simply appears in your view. You glance at it and reply instantly. You can dictate a message, send a quick preset reply, or even write by tracing letters with your finger, which sounds ridiculous, but it actually works surprisingly well. And after a while, you start noticing something. You're touching your phone a lot less. Now this is where things start to feel futuristic. The glasses can generate live captions for conversations. If someone is speaking in front of you, their words appear as subtitles in real time, which might sound like a small feature, but imagine how useful that becomes in loud environments, meetings, crowded cities, or even for people with hearing difficulties. But it goes one step further because those captions can also be translated, meaning someone could speak Spanish and you instantly see English subtitles in your glasses. It's like having a real-time interpreter built into your face. Navigation might actually be one of the most practical uses. Normally, when walking in a new city, people constantly check their phones, look down, walk, look down again. But with AI glasses, directions appear directly in your view. Arrows rotate as you turn your head. You just keep walking, no stopping, no phone, and your eyes stay on the world around you. Now, before this starts sounding too perfect, these glasses are still early technology. The camera isn't as good as modern phones, the app ecosystem is tiny, and many features still rely on your smartphone in the background. So no, this isn't replacing your phone tomorrow. But that might not be the point, because this generation is more like a preview of what's coming. The real power of AI glasses appears when you combine them with AI, because the glasses can see what you see, hear what you hear, and respond instantly. Imagine walking into your house and asking, "Where did I leave my keys?" And the AI replies, "You left them on the kitchen counter this morning." Or you look at a restaurant menu in another language, and it instantly translates everything. Technology stops being something you pull out of your pocket and becomes something that's always quietly helping you. So right now, AI glasses can already do some pretty impressive things. show notifications in your vision, let you reply to messages instantly, generate real-time subtitles, translate conversations, guide you through a city, and assist you with AI. And while none of these alone replaces a phone, together they start to paint a very interesting picture. We might be at the very beginning of something big, just like smartphones in the late 2000s. Still limited, still evolving, but clearly pointing toward the future. Because if AI glasses continue improving and the AI becomes powerful enough, you might eventually wear a device that remembers everything you see, understands every conversation, and quietly assists you throughout your entire day. And at that point, your smartphone might start feeling like very old technology.